I'm tired. Okay. Wait, what?
Do you guys hear that too?
I don't know if you guys can see or not. Wait. Oh, my phone is scratched. I have a wedgie. And I said that while making eye contact with someone. Jack and Ming and some Make-A-Wish kid.
Make-A-Wish.
Me. Oh, how could I forget? Congratulations on the win yesterday for football.
Oh, the Netherlands.
Yep.
Oh, thank you. I am not done.
Oh, okay, sorry. Like, you know how there are like potheads who smoke like every fucking day and they feel like they just have to be high every day? I don't think I could ever do that. Cause I laugh too much. I feel like the table just got further away from me. I'm so good at this. Jack. He's going.
He's on the right side. Go right.
Jack.
Ming, push.
Jack.
Push it in. That was my phone, bro.
I'm sorry.
He's right.
Okay, how come? Okay, I'm sick of it. Nobody is complimenting my appearance.
So how'd you think about that boat ride, Nick?
Literally earlier when Jack was on camera, there was one person like basically spamming hard eyes. OMG, he's so fine. Hard eyes, OMG, he's so fine. What about me?
Yeah, I kind of enjoyed that boat ride, honestly.
Yeah, for real. Not that fast. I mean, pretty good.
The plan is I'm gonna get Cookie, and then for some reason I have like a fetish for Madam Tussauds wax museums, and they have one here, and so we're gonna go there afterwards. Oh my god, guys, Jack was so bad in his Uber conversations. Worse than me. I feel like you guys weren't contributing much to the conversation and I was carrying the whole thing. It just would have been better if like I had like actual teammates to help carry the conversation along with me, but it just felt like I was carrying the whole conversation on my back. If I wasn't there, it would have been so awkward. So, do you live here? Guys, I'm so excited! What? Aren't you excited to see the wax people? Hello! I'm Minor. I think this would be most beneficial if you were to go greet him, since you're the youngest of us all. I am also only 21. Still ripe, still fresh. So nice to meet you. Don't tell him it's your birthday today. I don't think he'll like that. This is so scary. It looks like they're looking at us. Is it freaky? Oh my god. It's like everywhere you look, there's someone looking at you. Jeez. I don't think England will win because of Southgate.
Yeah, anyways, how's your day? How's your day going?
There's birds! Seagull! Here. Mine. So, guys, Jack's gotten his pictures.
Hold up.
Ming's gotten his pictures. Seems like we all got. Yeah! What door was offering? Is it unlocked?
Yeah.
Wait, no, now we have to wait because there's no background. Okay, if we had to rank the boat driver from 1 to 3.
Okay, 3.
No, I would say, I think, like as a good captain, you also have to be making sure that everyone's getting their photos and stuff. So I think I take number 1 spot as the overall best captain. I would say I'm the best captain, and then you guys are like tied for last.
For last?
Right?
Left.
Yeah, they're saying yes. I don't like the too many tourists.
Because Amsterdam, lots of coffee shop. They're coming for coffee shop, red light street.
Oh yeah, that's annoying. Do you know what this is?
No.
They're dead. One kiss is all it takes. Do you know what I'm talking about? Oh my god, that's so fun! We have to do it! Oh my god, I thought that was Hitler.
Fanfan, you got that.
Yeah, this one is
No,
all
but we all have to do it.
But you'll look good in this dress.
No, we can all do it. I'll go first. Oh no, please! Don't look at my skirt! Sorry. You have to act it out though. You have to like actually RP it.
I have to do what?
You have to RP it. Who is that? Messi again?
Yeah, Messi again.
This is Hillary Clinton, right? Oh, is this the lady who died recently? Jack, look, I'm really good at this. Hello. Don't you think? Yours looks racist for some reason.
Look how cool they think they look right here.
Was it good? Was it good?
Yeah, you look so good on TV.
Wait, you actually like that sword?
It looked like we were talking, didn't
Like, it actually looked like something was going on?
Yeah.
Oh, can you see if he has a bubble butt? Because sometimes in these positions, see, look! That fucking like ass indent. Go look at it. You see? Isn't that crazy? Stop talking about me. What about me? they're so annoying.
One.
Oh, Ming is so hot. Oh, goddamn, Ming, you looking fine. I'll tell you. What the hell? Can someone in chat tell me if the one with the camera is a girl or dude? Don't want to hurt feelings. Are you talking about me? Guys, are you talking about me? Like me with the camera? Oh my god, they're smoking. They're smoking. They're smoking right next to me. They're smoking right next to me. But I'm chill about it. I'm not like a regular... I'm not your average gal. I'm like a chill. I'm one of the chill ones. Yesterday, I have to tell you what happened. Yesterday, me and Jack and Janet and Steve, we went to go get pho, right? And Jack was like, "This is my first time eating pho," and I was like, "Really? It's your first time eating pho?" And Janet was like, "Oh." Wait, actual Amsterdam cheese company. Do you have a Rotterdam old cheese, maybe?
Sorry, we are Amsterdam cheese.
Only not Rotterdam cheese company?
No.
Okay, no problem, thank you. Yeah, can I? Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god. Can I try a lot of things? Is there a sample that I can give to my friends so I can... Oh, is this 14? Okay.
14
Is it possible for me to take two? Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I got my cheese. Oh my god, it's J-Lo's butt! Oh my god, can you please hold this, please?
Oh my god, really?
I don't know what I was gonna do.
You're just gonna shit yourself on it now?
I didn't!
I thought you went to the bathroom already.
We were touching cheeks.